Okay, Mr. Haziq, I have a few hot questions that I'm gonna ask you today. So, shall we start now, or
Okay,
should we wait for the first?
Mr.
Are you
Emil,
okay?
you're making me nervous, Mr. Emil. You're making me nervous.
Okay, never mind, never mind. We're
Okay,
just
check it
gonna
out,
have a
check it
very,
out.
very casual and chill session today. Okay, so Mr. Haziq, as a private fund manager, you have a wealth of experience in forex trading. Am I right?
Yeah.
So, how do you perceive your trading, and what drives your passion for it?
Whew. Okay, such a long question for a first question, eh? Okay. So, trading to me is a captivating blend of arts and science. It requires meticulous analysis, strategic decision making, and also, I would say, disciplined execution. Saving. To me, it's a dynamic field where one needs to stay updated with global events and market trends. The thrill of analyzing the financial markets and making successful trade is what drives my passion for trading. And of course, additionally, it offers a unique opportunity to manage risks and rewards while constantly improving oneself. Trading challenges me intellectually and emotionally, making it an exhilarating and rewarding profession, honestly.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that's very interesting to hear. Okay, but I heard that you said it's a global event and a market trend. So meaning that you will be mixing in terms of fundamental and also technical. Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, understand. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So impressive, very impressive, Mr. Aziz. So you could tell us how you've been involved in trading industry, and what are some of the essential lessons you have learned that you might want to share with us?
Okay. Well, basically, I have been actively trading for over, I would say, 10 years now.
Oh, that's a
Throughout,
very long time.
yeah, man. There's always ups and downs, right? So for 10
Mhm.
years, I would say it's not all rainbows, but of course, in those 10 years, I've developed a couple of few things. Throughout my journey, it's been a profound learning experience, actually. And one of the most significant lessons it has taught me is the importance of patience and discipline. I'm pretty sure you yourself are a trader as well. I'm pretty sure you know what I'm trying to say. And the market can be very volatile and also unpredictable. And it's crucial to stick to a well-defined trading plan and not cautious decisions. Moreover, I've learned the value of continuous education and adaptability. The financial markets are constantly evolving, and staying updated with the with the latest trends, technologies, and trading strategies is essential to remain successful in this industry, Mr. Ime. And additionally, I've gained I would say, a deep understanding of risk management and the significance of preserving capital, which is vital for sustained success in the trading process.
Okay, okay, that's very impressive. So you have been trading for 10 years. That's a very very long period of time.
Yeah,
May I know, Mr.
it's,
Haziq, how old are you? How old are you?
I'm,
You said.
I'm 28 years old, Mr. Ime.
So
You are
you have
exposing me again.
you have been trading since 18 years old. Am I right?
Sorry?
You have been trading since 18 years old, right?
Yeah, yep, that's correct. Right after school, yeah.
Okay, during my 18, I
Mhm.
only just want to go, and we just finished school, just want to explore the world. So
Yeah,
I didn't put any. Okay, I need to do this. I need to find this. No,
yeah,
because
yeah.
during me on the 18, you know, mama's money, dad's money. So,
Trust
so
me, I miss the time when I was young. When back then when I was 18, the only reason why I was trading is because I would like to go out with my friends. That was the only reason for it. And after a while, it drives me to one phase to another, and then you know. I truly believe how my 18 was my 18 self was. It was very fantastic. It was fun. There were nothing to do. They were just about us making profits and spending it. But now at the age of 28, I need to think about my wife. Shout out to my wife. All right, I need to think about my wife. I need to think about my mom, and of course, all of the responsibilities I have around me. Yeah.
okay, so back then you started for fun, for you to get the money, for you to have fun, but now it's for you to get the money for the family, for your family, for your wife, like you mentioned just now. That's good
Yep.
to hear
That's
that. Okay, since your journey in trading sounds very intriguing, could
Okay.
you share me more details about the path for a raw capital trader like me, to
Okay.
becoming a private fund manager with your specific technique? Maybe
Wow.
share with us.
Wow.
Maybe you could show to us.
Woo! Okay, you want to get in detail, right? All right.
Yeah.
So, first and foremost, I would like to say all the best for your raw capital trading because raw capital is not easy to me. That's where I came from, and certainly don't worry, I'll share to you my trading journey. Of course, my journey in trading has been both challenging and enlightening. Of course, initially I started as a raw capital trader like you, Mr. Ime, eager to make profits quickly. However, this approach led to a significant losses. I swear to you, and I realized that I needed a more strategic and structured approach, and subsequently I discovered prop trading, to be honest.
Oh,
Prop trading, which allowed me to trade with very limited personal funds while accessing larger capital resources, actually. And this opened up new possibilities and reduced my risk exposure. I then focus on developing my own trading technique that emphasizes calculated risk. And then, this technique is a result of years of research, of course, trial and errors. It combines technical and fundamental analysis, taking into account market trends, economic indicators, and of course, geopolitical events. The key aspect of my approach is meticulous risk management, where I carefully, very carefully, let me mark that, very carefully assesses the potential risks and rewards of each trade before executing it. Over time, my approach has proven to be successful, and yeah, thank God I have achieved consistent profitability. This journey has taught me the significance of resilience and continuous learning and adaptability in the face of market challenges. Thank God, with all the techniques I've done, bro, I can say I'm doing good. Yeah.
good. Okay. So you mentioned just now about prop trading, am I right? Okay,
Yeah.
I've heard about prop trading before, but I never get myself into prop trading because maybe you could brief us a bit. What is prop trading? What is the difference between prop trading and a normal standard account?
Okay. Would you like me to explain that now? Or would you want me to chart first?
It's up to you. It's up to you. I think. Oh yeah. I want to look at your tools just now. Yeah. Thank God. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Can I see the specific tools that you're using in your daily trading activities?
Okay. Before I show what are the techniques that I use on my trading skills and whatnot, I would like to show you I would like to share with all of you, of course, with the people that's watching here. I believe there are 630 people that is watching us live right now. According to that right here. Okay, so what I would like to show is I would like to show a little bit of what I offer to the trading industry, if that's okay with you. All right. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Can you share us the screen?
yeah, sure. Hold on, yeah. Okay. Let me try this one. Okay. All right, Mr. May, can you see my screen, Mr. May?
Okay. Yes.
All right. So basically, TZF Academy is an academy which I'm not sure I understand. Oh, sorry. Basically, TZF Academy is an academy which I created a few years back then. The reason why I created this academy is because I wanted to look for partners for me to trade, like a sparring partner. But then again, it started out solo, and then after a while, it has benefited a lot of people, more than 50 people now. I'm gathering students for more than 400 people now. So on this TCF Academy, this is a little introduction of what I do and what I offer in the industry. All right. So what I do and what I offer in the industry is, of course, first one is prop trading concept. Second is daily LUF mapping. I provide daily LUF mapping on my groups. And hold on, yeah. Sorry. Okay. Right. So now, for the third one, I also give out daily trade signals, personal coaching, as well as private group coaching. All right. And so what I teach and what I use in my strategy is very simple. First of whatever that you're seeing right now on the screen right now, this is basically what I use on my strategy. All right. So for the first one is of course market structure. Second, candlestick pattern. Third, trend line. It's all the simple tools. It's chart pattern. Fifth, support resistance. Six, Fibonacci. Seven is basically an integration of all techniques, and of course divergent as well as active. These are the extras that I use lah. All right. So this is the LOF mapping which I provide to my clients daily.
So basically, sorry, Mr. Haziq, I just want to ask. So basically, is Elliott Wave is also one of your tools that you're using in your daily trade. Am I right?
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Okay, because me myself, I don't really have good understanding about Elliott Wave actually. So I don't have Elliott Wave in my daily trading. So this is quite interesting for me.
Okay.
So Mr. Haziq, you may continue.
If you like to learn LOF more, it's okay. I think it's very simple. Contact me online, bro. I'll teach you personally.
You can provide me a private class or something? Can you provide me that?
Mr. Iman, contact me behind the camera, bro.
Okay.
All right. So yeah. So well, basically, these are the edit wave mapping that I provide to my clients. And of course, other than that, I provide signals, and this is how my signals look like. All right. So basically, I will stated the zones that people should watch out. And for example, this is GBP JPY, and this is the before and after.
So you're a swing trader from the screenshot that you put. I can see that you're a swing trader, lah.
Yeah. Of course, I go for swing trading. That's I think swing trading is much more safer. That's one. Second, less stress, and then the third one is less pressure. Because the technique that I specifically developed, as you can see right here, before and after. Okay, this is the before, and it got up for our bullish movement, and it went straight for 472 pips in this particular case. Yeah, so in our in trading strategy, what we do is every trades that I do, of course, our risk and reward ratio will always and forever comes first. I will forever calculate my losses first instead of my winning rate, and every single trade I'll calculate. I'll risk calculate. Very risk calculate. Yeah. So of course, other than that, these are the groups that I conclude for everyone. People that is in the class with me, I'll put them in one group, and this is where they share the knowledge. And of course, it is a full of talented people, and of course, experienced traders. So this is a little bit of introduction of what I do and what do I provide to the society, other than just trading on my own. And of course, back to our first topic, which you would like to see on how I do on my techniques, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Can you see my screen, Mr. Iman?
Yes.
All right. So basically, again, like how I mentioned, the way I do my techniques is very simple. I only do market structure. All right. So in this case right here, now is a live, I would say, position that I'm currently in. This is Euro AUD. Right? So as you can see for Euro AUD, how I do my analysis is very simple. All right, as you can see, I only have a couple of zones to watch out, and of course, a couple of tools, very simple tools that I use. All right, so how I do my analysis is, of course, the first step is to always check your market structure. That's the first one, right? So, the reason why you need to check your market structure is to identify whether you are in an uptrend or are you in an downtrend or maybe a sideways. All right. So in this case, as you can see in the macro view, right, high, higher low, all right, and a little bit of sideways, and then another high. I'm predicting it. I'm predicting this low will be a higher low. All right. So that's the first step. So what I always do,
okay. I just want to ask, for you to see the market structure, what is the best time frame for us to see?
Well, basically, market structure works in every country. It actually doesn't matter. And to answer your question, basically, it goes back to whether are you a swing trader, are you an intraday trader, are you a scalper, or or are you a position trader? So, for example, in this case, whatever that I'm looking at right now is I'm targeting it to be, I would say, not. To, I would call this as a swing trade, which sometimes I intraday, which I go in the morning and I take it out at night. But there are also times which I swing my trade for a couple of days. In this case, let me show you. All right. For the first case, I actually put a position from this low right here. Right. For example, okay, let me show you. First of all, I will look on the market structure. That's the first one, right? So as you see in this case, we are going in uptrend, higher high, higher low, and of course higher high. Right. So before anything else, okay, let me show you. Okay. So before anything else, right? I am now seeing the market going for an uptrend, right? Which I know that it'll be going for creating another higher high, right? So before a new higher high comes in, there will always be another higher low, all right? So in this case, in the macro view, you can see big view. We can see that the market is moving like this. That is on the big view, right? But for the small view, we can see that there is a change of structure right here. Okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and there's a bit change of structure here. Which it broke out from the previous structure right here, right? So it created a new high, which I am waiting for a new higher low right here for a swing. Okay, so when there's a break of structure right here, what I do is I take my Fibonacci. This is a twitch Fibonacci, yeah, right? So which I'll be measuring low risk, medium risk, as well as high risk. Okay, so in this case, let me show you. I mark my low risk, and you won't find this Fibonacci any elsewhere because this is a I would say I modified it on my own. I think I found the I found the levels of it on the book of Fibonacci. All right.
So meaning by that there's a few level that you add up yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, I
there are
see.
5 levels that I add up on my own. Okay, so in this case, I'm targeting to buy at a higher low point. But in this small trend right here, hold on, let me show you. Okay, in this small trend right here, I'm targeting to participate bullish trend to the upper higher level. So in this case, I am targeting to participate to place a buying position. Okay, a buying position at a swing low rate, right? Again, like how I said, first of all, you mark your market structure, all right, to identify your trend. Second of all, you take your Fibo and mark for your breakouts. Like in this case, I mark from here to here because this is the previous structure, right? All right. So after the case, you mark low risk and medium risk and also high risk if there's any high risk. But in this case, there's medium risk and low risk. Why does it call as medium risk and low risk? Every single technique of mine, every single setup of mine, every single mapping of mine, the invalidation level or stop loss level will always be at the end of the structure.
Okay, so meaning by that, you are using previous structure to have a projection on the future structure. Am I right?
Yeah, that's correct. Basically, what if you look closely, I only trade on breakouts, but I do not trade on literally on the breakouts. What I do is I look for breakouts and I wait for retracement. That's how I trade.
Yeah, so because you are using the Fibonacci retracement, right? So the level that you add up on your own is basically the entry point, the execution point for the pair itself, right?
Yep, that's correct.
So share to us your specific level that you're using now.
Okay. All right. For me to show you guys the level, I think Ken, no problem. but the only way for you to find it out is for you to Google my name on internet and find me out personally. I think that would be very fair for all of my private students.
You have a YouTube channel or something that maybe I can surf to watch your video or something?
Can, but I will let you know my YouTube channel right after I show you all of my analysis, because basically that will be a surprise, a little surprise for all of the outing.
Okay, that's good. That's good to hear that. We cannot wait for that.
Okay, all right. So basically, let's just continue on the analysis right here. So in this case, I would like to participate the buying opportunity located at the swing low zones, which we mark at these two suggested zones right here. Okay, which we use Fibonacci, right? So in this case, as you can see, I can just I can do two things. It's either I go instant execution or my own manual execution, or I can just place my buy limit at the suggested zone. So in this case, okay, let's just say I put my buy limit at the horizon right here. So I am targeting it. My first target is very simple. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's just say I put that. Hold on. Let me slow it down a little bit. There you go. Boom. Okay. There you go. Like that. Right. So as you can see from here, what I do from the end of the structure, I would add a little bit of a few pips. Normally, I would add around 30 pips. Right? Normally, I would add around 30 pips. So in that case, I'll shoot it like that. There you go. Okay. And normally, how I would target my TP is very simple. I would target by the end of every structure. That's what I would do. So in this case, as you can see, we are running from our low risk. We are running for 275 pips with just 38 pips in total of floating. So it's very, very, very small risk. Yeah. So let's just say if you have a small capital, so you already know what type and how big a lot size should be. So for example, if you are putting 10 cents right there, you are floating at $8, and if you put $1 right there, you are floating at $380. And if you put around, $5 and $10 onwards, you can actually calculate the amount of floating that you will be fixing. See? So with that amount of float, you are currently profiting at around 274 pips in total. So I'm pretty sure you can copy your own, right?
So basically, your stop loss level will be based on the previous structure. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
With a little add of 15 to 30 pips of extra pips down below that.
Okay, so basically from the remaining zone plus with a few pips because of the spread, right?
Yeah.
Maybe from that zone, the people or me myself can calculate how much is my maximum lot size for this specific setup.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's something new, because your SL level, your zone for me is quite very precise actually.
Yeah, it's actually very, 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 very tight. So yeah, and the way I do it is very simple. How do I do my TP? Of course, I target again the same damn thing. I look for the previous structure, and of course I have my reversal prices 1, 2, 3, and of course 4 right here. So as you can see, it hit my fourth TP. In total, which we have caught around 333 pips in total. Yeah,
330 pips take profit.
In
how
total,
much did you float?
Sorry?
How many pips did you float?
It was only 32 pips.
32 pips floating for 400 pips profit. What is the ratio for that?
So as you can see, as you can see right here, bro. For example, right, at first it has hit my fourth TP right here. Okay. So whenever I see a breakout like this one, right? Okay, whenever I see a breakout like this one, what I would do is I would pull out my Fibo again and again, right? And then the same method, okay, I will have my low risk zone, and then I will have my medium risk zone. And once in a while, sometimes I do mark my high risk zone, but in this case, I don't think I would. It doesn't really convince me. So anyway, as you can see, my zones right here. Now, from buying, since it has a breakout here, right? I'm waiting for a sell. So my plan now is ZAP and ZAP. That's my plan right now. So this zone, okay. Do is I mark another. There you go. So now this will be my TP for sell, and as well as my area to look for any buying opportunity. So in this case, hold on. Let me show you how. Right. So my plan right here is to sell from here. Okay. To sell from here until here, just to participate in higher low. My target is for the price to create another higher low right here. Okay. Reason being is because I combine this shuffling right there. There you go. Okay, so this is my view for this setup right now. Okay, so now look at this. This will be my asset area. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now let's see. There you go. Look there. Can you see? From and then what I will do is I will put my buy here. I will put my buy here. Okay, hold on. Let me show you. Okay, how do I do my TP? Of course, it's going down, right? So I'm targeting all the price to break this structure. So how I would do? I would pull the Fibo and I would mark 3 reversal prices. And this is 2. And this is the last one, 3. Right? Okay. So what I would normally do is I would put my TP at the 2 reversal prices, and I would put my buy limit at this low risk zone right here at the 3rd prices. Yeah. So as you can see from here, straight to our TP, as you can see that straight to our TP and hit our buying lot. So in this case, you are floating only 13 pips. Okay? 13 pips. And your profit is around 286 pips. Amen.
I see. That's a lot.
Yeah.
So from the entry point that you show to us just now. Okay, you have a 2 specific zone, right?
Yep.
Okay. What is the clear indication? Because if we can see from the top execution, the price didn't get to the higher zone.
Yep.
Because, right. Am I right? Okay. Yep. So what is the clear indication that it's already here, so maybe we can sell it here, or maybe we should wait for the other zone on the upper one?
Oh well, it's very simple. You have a couple of ways. Like I said, it's either you can just use sell limit or buy limit pending orders for the entries, right? Or maybe it's just breakout again and again. As you can see right here, and time frame, okay, higher high, right? Sorry, high, right? And then breakout. You see here? Okay, again, the same technique applies. You put here, there you go. Can you see our medium risk zone right here?
I see.
Okay, and we have also our low risk zone, right? Okay, so in this case, right? In this case, regardless whichever zone it is, now your risk just got smaller. It's only 13 pips now. So even if from the medium risk zone you are selling for 13 pips, and even if you put extra lots on the low risk zone, you will only be floating for 5 pips. Isn't that amazing?
So meaning by that those 2 zones were only less than 35 pips.
Yep, that's correct. And if you go to a lower time frame, it would be less than 5 or 10 pips, bro.
I see.
Yeah. So basically this method. Sorry?
Sorry, no. Basically from the tools that you are showing me, I can see that you are fully utilizing the market structure and also Fibonacci retracement, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So basically So basically that's just it, man. That's just how I do. Like right now, like just now, we were buying from here and we secured around 333 pips, and then from here we are selling and we are securing around 286 pips, and then on top of that we are also trying to buy the market, okay, which we are trying to participate the higher low, which we predicted from here. Then now we are predicting price to create another new higher right here. Right. So as of now, we are participating the buy from our low risk zone right there. Okay, and see if we get to the top. Okay, hold on. There you go. So it hit our high. Now the price is currently running here. And this is an actual price market, which I'm currently participating. So as of now, in this price right here, I am running in a total of 125 pips, but 199 pips with the current price. So basically, that's just how I do my trading, man. I use the same method over and over again. Basically, I identify the time that I would like to participate, and of course, I will have a couple of my zones and my tools as my guideline to make an entry in the market.
I see. But from the position that you executed, you have a better patience than me. I cannot wait for that too long. I'm not a swing trader. I just prefer more on a day trade. So to have a patient like you, maybe you can give me a little tips.
Tips, huh? I think by being a swing trader, I think the most accurate tips for you is, of course, to calculate your risk, to always have your risk and reward ratio on point. That's the most important part, because on trading, it doesn't matter on how much you make in a day. The most important part is for you to be consistent and persistent in the market. It's about you collecting whatever that you can. It's about you grabbing whatever that you can from the market itself. So regardless how much you make today, but tomorrow it will always have to be reset. So for example, as how I explained to you just now, in my technique, you get to basically count and also measure your risk, right? So basically from here, like what I would always do, the more I get it, the more near my SL will be, the bigger my lot will be. That's what I usually do, because since it's so close to the SL point, it will give me a chance of probability of maximizing my profit by going big lots. So for you to be consistent in the market, for you to be a swing, you need to know the precise amount of you using to put in the lot on the trades that you'll be different. Yep.
Okay. So the tools. Okay, I just wanna make a point for me. The tools that you using, basically you're providing it with daily elite wave, right? Daily elite wave, and then you're using market structure and also Fibonacci. Okay, I get the picture of your trading activity, but maybe I'll get back to you for the further information for a deeper understanding on this. Is it okay with you?
Yes, of course, for sure.
Okay, so basically your execution, since you told me just now you'll be using a bigger lot size and so basically this setup you're trading on your prop account, right?
Yeah, well, basically, like how I told you, I was once a raw trader, and then it led me to a significant losses, which I found my way throughout prop trading. And yep, right now, whatever lot size that you're seeing me posting online, of course, from my prop trading account.
I see. But just like I mentioned to you just now, Mr. Haziq, I don't really have a good understanding about prop trading. I've heard about prop trading, but I never get into it. So maybe you could explain to me a bit about what is prop trading actually.
Well, prop trading is very simple. Prop trading is proprietary trading, commonly known as, of course, prop trading lah. It refers to a trading strategy where a financial firm or institution uses its own capital to execute trades in the financial markets. So the primary goal of prop trading is to generate profits for the firm by taking advantage of short-term price fluctuation in various financial instruments such as stocks, currencies, commodities, and other instruments. And of course, unlike traditional trading, where it goes to funds, prop traders operate with the company's money. This is the truth comes in. Are typically professional traders who possesses advanced market knowledge, technical expertise, and also risk management skills. So proprietary trading firms often employ sophisticated trading algorithms and models to identify profitable opportunities in the market. So that is the differences. You don't have to use your own raw capital. You only pay on a certain small amount, but you get big capital for your own trading account that is provided by the trading companies.
Okay. So basically, is it possible for a retail trader like me to have a prop account, or this prop account is provided to fund manager?
No. Of course. Anyone can become a prop trader, bro. There are several I would say website that I would recommend. I'm not sure whether you guys have heard it or not. There are a couple of proprietary trading services that is out there. For example, like EFT, FTMO, and such. But me myself, I live in Malaysia. And there's how I did it was I actually introduced by a friend of mine to this one broker. I'm not promoting any broker, but what I'm trying to tell and what I'm trying to show is whoever that lives in Malaysia, maybe perhaps you guys can check it out. It's this broker called Lirunex. Okay, Lirunex, which we are partnering right now. Okay, basically this is the only broker that provides prop trading services. So I first started with Lirunex, and slowly I have I almost spilled the tea. Almost spilled the tea. Okay, just so you know, actually, I used to be a client to Lirunex, which I use their account, their prop trading account. But now I am also an educator in Lirunex. So I started.
So I can find you on the Lirunex website.
Yes. Well, basically, you can contact anyone in Lirunex and ask them about their educator, and they'll be, assisting you guys. As of now, what I was trying to say is, I started out with Lirunex. Lirunex supported me really, really well, even before I worked with Lirunex. And then, well, yeah, that's basically it. That's just how I survived from a raw capital trader. And then I moved out to a prop trading program, which I find it very amazing. For example, I deposit around 2,000 USD, and I got my stuff at 100K account. To me, that is much more better than 100K USD. 2,000 USD sounds much more better compared to 100,000 USD.
So basically, Ms. Haziq, is it the only difference between prop and standard account is the amount that you are trading, or there is any other differences between this standard and also prop?
Basically, there are several differences. All right. So one of if I'm not mistaken, there are 4 differences. One of it is capital source, risk and reward, leverage and trading rules. So for example, like capital resource, right? So in prop trading, the trader uses the firm's capital to execute trades. Whereas in a standard retail trading account, trader uses their own funds. So, for example, let's just say your own fund, let's just say you deposit for 100 USD. So, whatever that you trade, you are risking your own capital fund, your whole 100 USD. But if you're using prop trading, you are risking their money, their company's money. It's not your own capital fund. It's the account that you subscribe to, and the account of the companies that provide you the prop trading services. That is one. Okay. Second, for the risk and reward, with prop trading, to me, the profit and losses are shared between the trader and the proprietary trading firm. It's fair. You know, the trader may receive a share of profit such as compassion, but they are also subject to the firm's risk management rules. You know, in the account, all profit and losses are borne solely by the individual trader. So entirely up to you. But if you're doing prop trading account, of course, a certain T&C that you will have to, agree and obey, and it's an agreement between two parties, the trader and also the company itself. The third one, of course, like I mentioned, leverage. Proprietary trading firms provide leverage to their retail brokers, and also enabling them to purchase with a smaller amount of capital. You know, retail trading accounts usually offer lower leverage due to of course, restrictions. So I think if you use prop trading, you can use, of course, big lots, and you can maximize your profit whenever you find a very good setup. And of course, the last one is trading rules. In prop trading, prop traders really have to adhere to the trading strategies and guidelines set by the firm. That's the bad part, that's the constant.
So meaning by that, once you get the account, you cannot simply do whatever you want, There's a few rules and regulation that follow, right?
Yes.
Okay,
There are certain products that you need to watch out. There are certain amount that you really need to watch out, and you cannot exceed the requested amount that has been stated on the T&C.
Okay, so just now you mentioned about the profit and loss will be shared between the trader and also the firm, right? So okay, I get the picture of, if we are generating profit, then we will split. The firm will take some, we will take some. But on the losses, if let's say we hit a few losses on the account, do we need to pay back to the firm?
No, basically no. And of course, prop trading is not as easy as it is. You will have to go through a couple of phases. There are phase 2 as well as phase 3. There are some that has phase 3. So basically, if you get to get through phase 1 and phase 2, you will get the amount of funds that you funded by the account. You get what I mean? So for example, let's just say if you are depositing an account 500 USD for a 100K account, and let's just say you pass phase 1 and phase 2, that 500 USD of yours will be refunded by the company to you.
Okay, so you mentioned they have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. What do we need to do during the phase?
Well, there are several things that you need to do. Of course, like any other prop trading companies, phase 1, they will ask you for a 10% profit to achieve within the capital itself. For example, let's just say if the account is 100K, they will ask you a 10K profit out of it. And of course, there are certain drawdown that you're trading stuff. So for example, in a common proprietary trading T&Cs, their first target is 6, and their drawdown target is 5%, 5 to 8%.
So what if we hit the drawdown amount?
Sorry?
What if we encounter losses, our balance hit how much you said just now, 5%, 8% drawdown? So what if we hit that certain amount of percentage?
Well, basically, if you hit those amounts, whatever the amount of money that you want for the account, for example, like how we mentioned, there's 500 USD, right? The 500 USD will be taken by the proprietary company.
So if let's say I lost, okay, from the 100K account, I lost around maybe 7 to 8,000. The only money that I lost is actually the fee that I paid for the account. Am I
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
Oh, so meaning by that the loss of 7,000 I don't need to pay back lah.
No, bro. No. Trust me. If you will have to pay for it, I will not become a trader by now. I might
Okay,
be or a businessman, bro.
I see. Okay, that's really good. That's a new information to me.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe should people run both personal account and also prop account at the same time? Because maybe for some people, they're used to a standard account, right? They're not used to a big account like you mentioned just now. For 500 USD you got a 100K account. Maybe some people, they are just used to 1,000 maximum in the wallet. But if you go to prop account, there will be 100K. So how do we, should we run both or should we just pick one? And are you running both account or you just doing prop trading for now?
Well, as of me, I'm running both accounts.
Mhm.
But then again, when you have multiple accounts, it'll be easier if you have multiple, devices for you to control, or maybe a software for you to close your positions, multiple modify your positions or whatever. But of course, running both personal trading simultaneously is possible, but it comes with a certain considerations, like I would say. Like for example, I mean, okay, let's put this in cons. All right. So the pros is to me diversification. Operating both personal and prop trading accounts how do I put this? Allows for a diversification of trading strategies and risk exposure. On top of that, it diversify your trading views. It's more of that actually. You get to diversify your portfolios, you get to show how you control your strategies from a short-term account with a long-term account, small capital and long capital, and of course your experience and learning. Learning managing multiple accounts can provide you valuable experience and insights into different trading environments and of course approach. And of course the focus of it is more time and commitment. That is very crucial. Time is very, very crucial. Training requires significant time, attention, and also dedication. And running multiple accounts can spread a trader thin and affect performance. You get what I mean? So you will have to commit on multiple accounts, multiple devices, and you will have to put in a lot of energies in order to control a lot of positions. It's very, of course, if every trade of yours is on winning streak, you'll be very happy, believe me. But let's just say if you're running 5 at the same time and all 5 of them are running on a negative amount, of course you'll be betting closely.
Definitely.
Yeah, so that would be sad and very frustrating for a trader to go through. Correct. So, and other than that, of course, conflicting interest. Conflicting interest. What I mean by conflicting interest is, of course, balancing personal and proprietary trading may lead to conflicts of interest or violation of trading rules set by the platform. So, for example, when you trade your raw accounts, you do not have any rules that is applied to you, right?
Yeah.
But when you have when you are using prop trading accounts, there are a few T&Cs that you will need to follow. So there are times where you are following rules on prop trading account, but when it comes to your capital raw account,
You are
get a
the
you get a little bit greedy, you get what I mean? So it'll be a conflict of interest to maintain those character in both accounts. So I think it is essential to consider one's ability to manage multiple accounts effectively. Traders should also ensure that there are no conflict of interest or violation of rules when engaging in both personal and prop trading simultaneously. Transparency and adherence to regulation are critical in such scenarios. Yep.
okay. Okay, that's very good. I have, okay. regarding the prop account, also, I think I'm going to get back to you to have a further understanding on this prop account.
Yeah.
So, I guess, Mr. Haziq, I have one last question to you before we end our session. Before we end our session for today, because it's already has been an hour.
Okay.
It has been an hour. Okay, my last question to you, or maybe you could give us, since you already have a 10 years experience, maybe you could give a little tips or a little words to the newcomers that might want to join, might want to get themselves to this industry. Maybe you could tell us a few of your words that maybe could help them in the future of trading.
Okay. Okay, it's very simple. My advice to all is, of course, for first and foremost, do not trust any other outsiders other than yourself. That is one. Second, build your own confidence with your own strategies. Do not trust anyone. Do not follow anyone unless if you understand their strategies. You know, do not follow any mapping or signals that is provided anywhere elsewhere unless if you understand why they sell and why they buy, because you need to understand that forex trading is a professional business, a gambling game, so treat it as a business. So the best advice for you all there is, of course, first and foremost, is to always invest in knowledge. You know, because nobody can lie to you, you know, other than people out there. But knowledge, they can't lie to you. That's one thing for sure. You know, that's one thing for sure. So always, you know, stay hungry, look for more knowledge, and stay persistent in your life. That's the best thing I would say. You know, trading is like a flipping coin. The moment you start to be confident on the certain side of the coin, that is where the trouble comes. So always be flexible. Always try to be flexible. Always learn new things, and always stay ahead of the game. Do not give up. Always do the right thing.
Okay, Mr. Hakim. Thanks a lot. So, lastly, I want to ask you, okay, with all the topics that you shared just now, maybe
Yeah.
me or viewer can find it on your YouTube, right?
Yep.
So we just need to find Haziq Husaini on YouTube. Am I right?
Yep. You can look up
Okay.
on Academy.
Okay, so for those viewer who want to know more about Mr. Haziq's topics with the Fibonacci, with the market structure, you guys can go to the YouTube and find Mr. Haziq. So maybe you are he'll be providing a maybe few video, right? You have how many video that you have? You provided the whole topic, right? Or
Yeah.
only this three?
Well, basically on Monday, Wednesday, and also Friday, that is where I'll be uploading a video on YouTube. Where
Oh,
I'll be
so meaning by that you'll be providing 3 videos in a week.
yeah. But it's only a short video, only on a couple of pairs for market breakdown. But the detail will be on Tuesday and Thursday night. That is where I'll be going live, and I'll be breaking down a lot of currency mappings as well as indexes and commodities. There'll be a lot. There'll be more than 5 to 10 pairs on it.
The live trades session will also be on your YouTube, right?
Yeah, yeah, correct. There will also be live trade session as well.
Okay, that's good to hear that. Okay, Mr. Haziq, I think we have come to an end of our session today. I would like to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for your words. Thank you with all the information that you provided to us today. And to our viewer today, I hope you guys have a lot of information that you guys gained today. And if we have in future, if we have a new chance to go through for another session between Mr. Haziq with the WikiFX, we will give you the update soon. Okay, so
Yeah,
everyone,
sure. Anyway, thank you, Mr. It was my pleasure. I hope that my experiences can motivate and guide aspiring traders on
Yes.
their own path to success. Thank you for having me, and I wish all the best to you, to your audience in their trading endeavors. Take care,
Okay.
brothers. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Bye bye. Take care.
Lironex is a worldwide investment business
that offers a comprehensive range of trading services in currency trading and CFDs. We are highly regulated corporate holding multiple licenses by various act of authorities such as Cyprus Security Exchange Commission, Labo and Financial Services Authority, and Ministry of Economic Development. Lironex's philosophy is to maintain loyal client by ensuring client satisfaction. Thus, we provide the most transparent, safe, and trustworthy services under secure regulation while ensuring our client remains satisfied with their impeccable trading experience. We also analyze worldwide market trends daily and stay current on the latest technology to meet the client's demands. Lironex is led by our global elite management team, CEO Jack Fong, COO Nikos Christo, CTO Sky Lee, COO Dixon Woon, and CRO ECK. We have expanded our business globally in 18 countries, including Cyprus, Thailand, Vietnam, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Taiwan, Philippines, Singapore, and many others. We aim to become an industry leader based on transparent and trustworthy relations with our clients and seek higher growth opportunities. Lironex delivers superior services in currency trading along with forex, precious metals, commodities, equity indices, cryptocurrency, and stocks. Our client can trade with MetaTrader 4 trading platform for quick access and control of their trading accounts. In 2022, we have launched our secured and user-friendly trading platform, Lironex Trading App. Client can obtain forex signals from industry experts instantly and effortlessly at their fingertips via our trading app. Lironex also delivers a multi-level affiliate program and introducing broker program under competitive conditions to our partners. In addition, our PAM and multi-level affiliate program solutions are dedicated to investors and fund managers with flexible remuneration plan. Also, our industry has constantly recognized the value and celebrated the excellence of Lironex for consistently providing the finest experience with outstanding platform and services. We are determined to provide you with an exceptional trading environment and assist you in achieving financial success.
Get ready for an extraordinary event that will revolutionize the way you trade. Introducing the Mindanao Traders Expo, a two-day extravaganza dedicated to Forex, crypto, and stock market enthusiasts. Prepare to be inspired by our lineup of exceptional trading mentors, sharing their expertise and strategies to help you master the world of trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the Mindanao Traders Expo offers a platform for learning, networking, and exploring exciting opportunities. Connect with fellow Forex, crypto, and stock market enthusiasts, expand your knowledge, and build valuable relationships with like-minded individuals. Unleash your potential with in-depth workshops on Forex, cryptocurrency, and stock market trading, covering everything from fundamentals to advanced strategies. Immerse yourself in the world of trading through our interactive sessions, where you can practice trading in a risk-free environment. Explore the latest technologies, tools, and platforms offered by our invited Forex brokers, gaining insights to enhance your trading journey. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. Join us at the Mindanao Traders Expo on August 18th and 19, 2023 in the heart of Davao City. Reserve your spot today.
Hey everyone, this is Axel Rose, your host for MTX 2023. Join me at this year's biggest trading event in Mindanao on August 18 and 19. Get ready for informative sessions, exciting exhibits, and networking opportunities with industry experts. Don't miss out and click the link below. See you there!